man, we're here, holy smokes, we're hanging out with our good people as well, raising some money, cooking some food. This hog's from us to you. Let's check it out. Did one up, one down, one for show, one for dough. Holy City Smokes.
See something cool? Let's take a look at the whole hog from Holy City Hogs with an assist from our friend Ron from Master Blend. Check this out.
Hanging out, come on out, let's go.
It's time to turn up, baby. All gas, no brakes, 365.